Akasvani Imphal Wahingbam Washington na pau pajeri ahanbada maruiba pau Venezuela da America Lanmina Operation Chatabagi Matangda Kananaba UN Security Council ki khudakyoiba mifamama hayang pangthokani America Lanmigi thawongadubu Malem gi leibak kayana yaningdaba madi yaningba phongdoknarakli Venezuela da hojik oiriba phiba madugi yenglaga mapal thoram mantraloina Bharat macha singda chekshina leinaba khangankhre Election Commission ki ECI net app pu hena phagal hanaba commission na miyam ki mot kauri amasung Assam ki Mukhyamantri Himanta Biswa Sharma na hairi Raijadu ki haksel ki lamda phibam phagal hanaba sarkar na lam phangba thawong paikhatli Venezuela da America Lanmina Operation Chathabagi Matangda Khananaba United Nations ki Security Council gi khudakyoiba mifam ama hayang pangthokani Council asigi permanent member nataba leibak ama oiriba Colombia na haijarakpadagi mifam asi kaubani mifam asibu permanent member sing China amasung Russia nasu sogali United Nations ki Venezuela gi permanent mission nasu Security Council da America gi thawong adubu samalosna tawraduna khudaki oiba mifam ama kaunaba chithi thakre Maragasida UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres na Venezuela da America gi lanmin operation chathaduna Rashtrapati Nicolas Maduro bu phakhiba madi phakhiba adubu kudong thiningai oiraba thawong amani haina phongdokre Cherolamada UN gi machinchat pamisak Stephen Dujarric na hai Sri Antonio Guterres na America na chathariba operation nasina lamdam aduda sauna akaiba thokhanba yai haina lawi Cheroladuna hai Sri Guterres na thawong adubu malem gi oiba ain ikai khumnadabani haina lawi UN Charter yauna malem gi oiba ain mapung phana ngak patangai fade hairaduna mahakna thawong adubu nungnangba phongdokli haina su makhatari Amaromda United Nations ki Human Rights ki High Commissioner Volker Turk na hai Venezuela da America na khut thingjileba adu nungnang ningai ni Venezuela gi Rashtrapati Nicolas Maduro amasung mahaki loinabi First Lady Celia Flores New York ta thungkre amasung Brooklyn da leiba detention center amada thamkre Manhattan Federal Court drug amasung khuchukhulai lalonbagi maralda makhoi mathakta bichar chathagani makhoi mathakta narco terrorism amasung America ki mayokta cocaine amasung khuchukhulai pusilakpagi logtuna bada yawi haina maral siri America ki Rashtrapati Donald Trump na Venezuela ki konung Caracas ta lanmin operation chathaduna mahaki hukum makhada Rashtrapati Nicolas Maduro mahaki loina biga loina na phaduna laibak adudagi porakhi haina hana na phongdokhrabani Florida da leiba mahaki leifam Mar-a-Lago pangthokpa paugi mifam amada Rashtrapati Trump na hai Venezuela da miyamda asoyangam thokandana niyom chumna sakti sinadriba phawbadi America na Venezuela bu kupna yangsin khigani Venezuela asi America da ain kaiba mongda dak pusilak palaibak amani hainasu Shri Trump na maral siri
We are going to run the country until such time as we can do a safe, proper, and judicious transition. And it has to be judicious because that's what we're all about. We want peace, liberty, and justice for the great people of Venezuela, and that includes many from Venezuela that are now living in the United States and want to go back to their country. It's their homeland. We're going to rebuild the oil infrastructure, which will cost billions of dollars. It'll be paid for by the oil companies directly. They will be reimbursed for what they're doing, but that's going to be paid. And we're going to get the oil flowing the way it should be, but we're going to run it properly, and we're going to make sure the people of Venezuela are taken care of.
Maragasida Venezuela ki Supreme Court ki Constitutional Chamber na Uparashtrapati Delcy Rodriguez bu laibak adugi acting president oina thabak puna ba hukum tawkhre America ki thawong asigi matangda malem gi lusingba kayana yaningdaba amadi yaningba phongdoknarakli America lanmi ki thawong adubu Russia China Iran Brazil amasung Cuba yauna laibak kayana kanna yaningdaba phongdokli Venezuela hojik oirik leba phiba madugi yanglaga mapal thoram mantraloina laibak aduda leiriba Bharat machasingda maram leitana chathokpa tawdanaba khanghanba advisory ma thokre karigumba maram amatagi Venezuela leiriba Bharat macha khudingmakta ka hena cheksinaba madi Caracas leiba Bharat ki embassy da leptana pau phaunanaba sukhangali tabiba pawasi Akashbani Imphal dagini Election Commission gi ECI Net app pu hena phagal hanaba commission na miyam gi mot kauri Unified Digital Platform ama oiriba ECI Net app ase voters singi hena khudong chanaba madi mikhal ga mari leinaba e pausing miyam na ningthina khanghanaba gi pandam de sembani miyam na makoi gi mot app asida submit a suggestion gi khuthangda tha sigi tara phawda pikhalak pa yagani hairi Election Commission ki matungina ECI Net app ki changyengda chauna kanaba phangan ki hairi Assam ki Mukhyamantri Himanta Biswa Sharma na hairi Rajya du ki hakchel gi lamda phibam phagat anaba Rajya Sarkar na lam phangba thawong paikhatli social media da thagat pawarol da Mukhyamantri na hai Sarkar asina infrastructure chawkhat hanaba khakta da miyeng changba gi mathakta miyam gi ningkhina seba tawba ngamba mapung phana train tawraba human resources semgat padasu mityang changli Mukhyamantri na hai Rajya du da medical gi siksha hena mapung phana ningthina piduna hakchal gi phibam phagat hanaba gi lamdasu mapung phana thawak paikhatli mangna hai sahi tara phadaba matam asigi manungda Assamda MBBS tamnaba gi seat masing hana chatret kuntaruk oirambadu haujik lising amachani pal gi mathakta hengatle masimak Rajya du da doctor gi awat palaitanaba sarkar na honaba khudam amani Kendra ki Rail Mantri Ashwini Vaishnav nangarang laibak asigi ihan hanbo ina chen gadoriba Bande Bharat Sleeper Rail Gari ki phibam yangchin kre Pangmising do wangang bada Sri Vaishnav na hai Rail Gari asi ahing yarek tuna lamchang chatpa yana bagi khudong chaba lairaba makhalni Mantri na hai mapung phana air condition tawraba sleeper service asi tha asi tangkhai chalakpada Guwahati amasung Kolkata gi marakchen ba hauragani Bande Bharat Sleeper Rail Gari asi leibak asigi semi high speed rail transformation gi tangkak amani masida rail gari hena yang na chen baga loinana matam ga chunaraba khudong chaba kaya passenger singda phangangani Aina Thinkraba CPI Maoiski People's Liberation Guerrilla Army Battalion Commander Yauna Maoiski Mioikun Hyderabad ta Telangana gi DGP Sivadar Reddy da khulai thaduk tuna changjakre makhoi gi manungda Battalion Commander Barshe Suka amasung Telangana Committee Member Kankanala Raji Reddy Yauri makhoi na America na saba Colt Rifle amasung Israel na saba Tavor Rifle AK-47 Insas Rifle amasung SLR Rifle yauna punna khulai nipunipan tongan ba nongmai singi marusing amasung seloina lupa lakun lising kuntra loina rakhi thoram tu dawangang bada DGP na hai handak surrender tawrak libasina CPI Mausing da chauna ninghan na bopokal lagani rehabilitation package gi saruk ama oina police na makhoida lupa koti ama lak marfumathoi lising marfudra pi gani haina lauthokre amasung khuda kitengbang oina mioi amamamda lupa lising kunmanga chupi khi Mauritius ki Rashtrapati Dharambir Gukhul numit mangani ki sarkar gi khongchet tangarang Andhra Pradesh thungkre Krishna Jila gi Ganbharam Airport ta thunglaba tungda mahak Guntur da thungki ngasi Guntur da pangthokadaba ahum suba malem gi Telugu mifamda mahak saruk yagani Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi nangasi video conferencing ki khuthangda Uttar Pradesh ki Varanasi da humbudra nithoi suba National Volleyball Tournament haudokani Aroibada maroiba pau amukhana Venezuela da America lamina operation sathabagi matangda khananaba UN Security Council ki khudaki oiba mifamama hayang pangthokani Venezuela da hojik oirik liba phiba madugi yanglaga mapal thoram mantraloina Bharat macha singda section na lainaba khangan khre Election Commission gi ECI Net app pu hena phagat hanaba commission na miyam gi mot kauri amasung Assam gi Mukhyamantri Himanta Biswa Sharma na hairi Rajya du ki hakchel gi lamda phibam phagat hanaba Rajya Sarkar na lam phangba thawang paikhatli pauloi jare